I did.
You move really, you come around really well. Where you're saving a lot of time. Here, instead of coming all the way around, you're able to just bam like right there. You're doing that's what's saving you time doing that. That was still 12 seconds even with the pause.